Have you ever wondered if there's a secret to turning your spending into earning? What if we told you that some luxury purchases could actually make you money in the long run? In this video, we'll reveal 15 one-time buys that aren't just splurges. They're genius moves for anyone looking to get the most out of every dollar spent. You'll be shocked to learn how a simple kitchen tool could become a valuable family heirloom, or how a piece of technology might save your digital life. Don't miss out on these game changers that promise to elevate your life and your net worth. Subscribe now to unlock the secrets of smart luxury spending. 1. The ticking time capsule of wealth. A Rolex Submariner, the Rolex Submariner, is more than just a timepiece. It's a wearable investment. Launched in 1953, this Swiss masterpiece has become a symbol of luxury that appreciates in value over time. With prices ranging from $8,000 to $336,000 at retail, older models often fetch even higher prices on the resale market. For example, a vintage 1680 red Submariner from the 1970s, originally priced around $230, can now command over $20,000 at auction. 2. The ironclad culinary legacy. Le Creuset cast iron skillet. Le Creuset cast iron skillet is the unsung hero of luxury kitchenware. Made in France, these durable skillets offer superb heat retention and can last for generations. Starting at around $200, they're an investment in culinary excellence. Consider the story of a family in New Orleans who's been using the same Le Creuset Dutch oven for Sunday gumbo since the 1960s. It's still going strong and has become a cherished heirloom. 3. The living room fountain of youth. Peloton bike. The Peloton bike is more than just exercise equipment. It's a ticket to a healthier lifestyle and potential long-term savings. With prices starting at $1,045 plus a subscription, it replaces costly gym memberships and offers convenient, motivating workouts. Take Sarah from Seattle, who saved over $2,000 in annual gym fees and lost 30 pounds in her first year of Peloton ownership. 4. The handheld status symbol. Hermes Birkin bag. The Hermes Birkin bag is the pinnacle of fashion exclusivity and investment potential. With prices starting at $9,000 and soaring into six figures for rare materials, these bags often appreciate in value. In 2017, a rare Himalaya Niloticus crocodile diamond Birkin 30 sold at auction for $379,260, making it the most expensive handbag ever sold. 5. Your digital bodyguard. Virtual private network, NordVPN. A VPN like NordVPN is an essential investment in your digital security and privacy. It encrypts your internet connection, protecting you from hackers and data theft. For instance, a businessman traveling in China was able to securely access his company's servers and conduct a crucial video call thanks to his VPN subscription. 6. The Pocket Library. Kindle Paperwhite. The Kindle Paperwhite, priced around $140, is a portal to thousands of books in a compact device. It's perfect for avid readers and travelers who want access to an entire library without the bulk. Sarah, a backpacker, was able to read over 50 books during her 6-month trip across South America, all stored on her lightweight Kindle. 7. The Boardroom Power Move. Montblanc Heritage Fountain Penner. Montblanc fountain pen, priced from $400 to thousands of dollars, is more than a writing instrument. It's a status symbol. These German-crafted pens add gravitas to any signature or note. A CEO in New York credits his Montblanc for helping him close a multi-million-dollar deal, as it conveyed an air of sophistication and attention to detail. 8. The Dreamweaver. Tempur-Pedic mattress. Tempur-Pedic mattress, ranging from $1,000 to $5,000, is an investment in your health and well-being. Originally developed by NASA, this memory foam technology provides exceptional support and comfort. John, an insomniac for years, reported that his sleep quality improved dramatically within a week of purchasing his Tempur-Pedic, leading to increased productivity at work. 9. The Eternal Drink Keeper. Yeti Rambler. The Yeti Rambler, at around $30, might seem small, but its impact is significant. Known for its incredible temperature retention, it's perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and everyday users alike. A group of hikers in Arizona reported that their Yeti Ramblers kept ice frozen for over 24 hours in 100 degrees Celsius heat, proving its worth in extreme conditions. 10. The Silicon Canvas. Apple MacBook Pro. The Apple MacBook Pro, starting at $1,300, is a powerful tool for creatives and professionals alike. Its sleek design and robust performance make it a status symbol in coffee shops and boardrooms. A freelance graphic designer in Los Angeles credited her MacBook Pro for allowing her to take on more complex projects, ultimately doubling her income in 1 year. 11. The Sonic Sanctuary. Bose Noise-Cancelling Headphones. 700. Bose's noise-cancelling headphones. 700 offer an oasis of calm in a noisy world. These headphones transform your audio experience, whether you're working, traveling, or relaxing. A New York City apartment dweller reported that these headphones allowed him to work from home productively despite ongoing construction noise outside his window. 12. The Ancestral Time Machine. Ancestry DNA Kit. Ancestry DNA Kit can unlock the secrets of your genetic past, potentially influencing your understanding of health traits and family traditions. One user discovered a predisposition to celiac disease, leading to early detection and management of the condition. Another found long-lost relatives in Ireland, resulting in an emotional family reunion. 13. The Ergonomic Throne. Herman Miller. Embody Chair. The Herman Miller Embody Chair, retailing for around $200, is an investment in your long-term health and productivity. Developed with input from 30 physicians and PhDs, it's engineered to support proper posture and reduce discomfort. A software developer in Silicon Valley reported a significant reduction in back pain and increased focus after switching to the Embody Chair. 14. The Memory Maker. Leica Q2 Camera. The Leica Q2 camera is a pinnacle of optical engineering, perfect for capturing life's moments with unparalleled clarity. While expensive, its quality and potential for creating valuable memories make it a worthy investment. A travel photographer credited her Leica Q2 for capturing award-winning shots during a trek through the Himalayas, images that later sold for thousands of dollars. 15. The Global Real Estate Goldmine. Land in emerging markets. Investing in land in emerging markets can yield significant returns as areas develop. For example, early investors in Tulum, Mexico, saw property values skyrocket as the area transformed from a sleepy beach town to a popular tourist destination. Similarly, those who purchased land in Vietnam's coastal areas a decade ago have seen their investments multiply in value as tourism and development have boomed. If you're intrigued by the idea of smart spending and financial growth, you're in the right place. Keep watching our previous videos that tackle more ways to achieve financial freedom and discover the surprising opportunities that await you. Remember, knowledge is power, and the more you learn, the closer you get to transforming your financial future. Don't forget to click the link in the description for more exclusive content on luxury investments and wealth-building strategies. Your journey to financial freedom starts now.